Hi guys, this is Ashish and today's topic is what are the secrets which no one is telling you to attract women? Real secrets which actually work. So guys, let's start the topic. The first secret is you cannot attract every woman on this planet. People say that you can attract any woman with this particular technique or by saying these lines. These are all false promises and fake things told by the dating gurus. Every girl cannot be attracted by you. You can only attract those girls who are attracted to you to some extent in the start. Clear? You can only attract those girls who are attracted to you at the first place. That means if you meet 10 girls, maybe one girl among them may be attracted to you. Then you can play the game to attract that one girl. But you can't attract all the 10 girls like the other dating gurus say. So this is the first secret. Trust me on that. This is the biggest secret which I am revealing. You cannot attract any girl if you want. Only the girls who are interested in you. Second, there are 3 points which you need to cover by attracting the girl who is attracted to you. First, the girl is attracted to you. Now you have to follow 3 techniques which girls like: self-confidence, self-control, and challenge. Now, let me explain. What is challenge? Challenge is mystery. To make it easy, I'll say it's a mystery. Unpredictability, unfamiliarity, challenge. That is required by a guy. If guy unfolds everything about himself to a girl and girl knows everything about him, there is no mystery left, there is no unpredictability left, then she will start losing interest. Or her interest won't increase, it will decrease. So the girl whom you are dating, for her, and whom you have started dating, for her, these 3 points are very important. Among them, challenge. You have to be mystery at all times, whether it's 10-year relationships, whether it's fresh relationship, or whatever. It has to be a challenge. For example, one way of being a challenge is by being absent, by being busy, not meeting her for a week, not having calls, not calling her regularly or picking up her calls, and only showing your face once a week. That is the only time she speaks and sees your face. Remaining time she's not able to speak on phone, message, or something like that. That is one type of mystery. Second is surprises. She shouldn't know what is going in your mind. If your feelings are unclear, that she will keep wondering, what is this guy? Why am I not able to crack him? Then her interest will rise and she will always be on her toes for you. She will be behind you. Trust me on that. Challenge is a very important factor. You have to be a challenge, unpredictable, so that she remains on her toes. Now, let's come to the second point, self-confidence. Now, what do I mean by that? Self-confidence is something like you're not scared of doing anything in front of her. Or, like for example, if you have to give a speech in front of public and she's present there. So, you give the speech as normally as you could in the best way possible, and her presence shouldn't affect your speech. So that is called confidence. So you should see the confidence that whatever you're doing, whether it's a speech, whether it's acting, whether it's playing sports, whether anything, you're not affected by the presence of her or anyone there. You are who you are. You're playing with full confidence, without hesitation, without shyness. You are doing everything in front of her. Everything. Sports you're playing like that. Speech you are giving, acting, no hesitation at all. When she will see that you're not getting nervous, you're not getting hesitated, you're not getting hesitation, you're not getting that inferiority complex, that's called self-confidence. So you have to be. But there is a difference between self-confidence and overconfidence. Now don't be overconfident. Like, don't tell everything about you. I'm this player, I've done this, I've done that. Now if you do this will turn into too much. That you are praising too much about yourself, you're not letting her speak. So you have to let her speak 90% of the time. She should be speaking 90% of the time. She should be touching you 90% of the time. And you have to do with your actions, not by speaking. That's called self-confidence. Then her interest will increase. Remember, not overconfidence. Let's come to the topic self-control. 2 topics have been covered, and self-control. What is self-control? Self-control is the control which you have. For example, to make it easy, I'll make you understand. You're in a party. There are 5 to 10 guys approaching your girlfriend or the girl whom you are dating. Now most of the guys will get jealous or get angry and start speaking like, why the hell you're talking to so many guys, this is not right, you're dating me, how could you do that? Or maybe they may get jealous, they may not speak. That's called losing of control, self-control. Now a smart guy who's an expert at dating, what he would do, he will control himself. First thing, he wouldn't get possessive, he wouldn't get jealous. He will keep his calm in any scenario. 10 guys are coming and asking her out, but he will have confidence that she's mine. And she will give in fact, if you're the guy, you will give a smile to those 10 guys and 5 guys. So that's called self-control. This is a major factor where people lose respect in front of women. They start getting jealous, they start talking too much, they get angry. So these things decrease the girl's interest level. So remember guys, first secret, you cannot attract every girl in this world. Remember this, you can only attract those girls who are attracted to you at first place. Then you can play the games with them. Girls don't play hard to win, okay? Second, which consists of 3 points: self-confidence, self-control and challenge. I play more on challenge because it's easier. So even if you play one thing very well, the other two may be compensated. But if you can play all the three traits very well, then icing on the cake. But remember, these 3 are the main secrets which people need to. Now, I wouldn't say like other dating gurus to use this line, speak this way, and she'll get attracted. Use these words, use this jacket, use this shirt, wear this and go in front of her, she will get attracted. That's all bullshit. Of course, dressing sense makes a difference. Cleanliness, hygiene, good looks makes a difference. But that's 100 out of 100, it's 5 to 10%. Remaining 90% is these factors which I told you. After that, of course, you should also look good. Your teeth should be clean. You should look good. You should have a good body. If you are more in shape, good looking, you have more chances. The more successful you are in money or fame, you have more chances. These things definitely play. Body, fame, money, these things definitely help in attracting women. I'm not talking about gold diggers. This definitely because you are the dominant guy, na? So remember guys, these are the secrets. And keep this in mind. So don't try on those girls who are not interested, you'll just waste your time. Also don't try on those girls who are your friends. Turning a friend into a girlfriend is 1 in billion. 1 in billion. So you may have missed your 5 years, but she wouldn't turn up as your girlfriend after 5 years. So why do you waste time? In fact, you should date new girls, right? Ask 20 numbers, maybe one may get attracted to you. Simple, right? So one is the girl who's not attracted to you. Second, any close friend of yours or even a friend, don't try on. Okay? These 2 cannot be made your girlfriend. Okay guys, the topic is over. Please like, subscribe and share this video as much as possible so that I get motivation guys, that I can make videos for you. Please subscribe me so that I can give you advices for free. You know, don't forget that. This is Ashish signing off. Love you guys.